Also today, a health alert this afternoon with renewed concern about the spread of whooping cough in the Memphis area.
The Shelby County Health Department confirms there's been at least one case of whooping cough in the school district and 5 cases reported in the county. This afternoon, a health expert at Le Bonheur with advice for parents and other adults. At Grahamwood Elementary on Summer Avenue, school is in session as it normally is for students here in the Berkeley area. This as the Memphis-Shelby County School District is confirming there's been one confirmed case of a student with whooping cough at Grahamwood.
It's called whooping cough after the characteristic sound that people make when they cough with this illness.
Your news leader reached out to Le Bonheur Children's Hospital's Dr. Sandy Arnold to find out more about whooping cough, also known as pertussis.
Pertussis is a cough illness, and it has a nickname that's the 100-day cough.
Health experts say whooping cough is a bacterial infection that can easily spread from person to person through respiratory droplets. The Shelby County Health Department confirms with WREG there have been a total of 5 cases of whooping cough reported in the county this year.
Most children who are in public schools are vaccinated, and so they may have a milder, more modified illness if they acquire it, because they do have some immunity.
But pertussis can also be life-threatening.
It can be. That is usually in young infants. The highest risk is to children under 6 months of age. This is why we recommend that mothers, when they are pregnant, that they get a pertussis vaccine booster.
Adults can get whooping cough too.
We absolutely can, and it is no fun. Like I said, the 100 days cough, it's unlikely to cause severe enough disease to require hospitalization in an older child or an adult.
Dr. Arnold says her best advice for parents is to make sure their kids have their shots.
Obviously, keeping your child up to date on their vaccines, making sure that they get them at the right time.
And last year, there were only 9 cases of whooping cough reported in Shelby County for all of 2024.